good morning. I've come up here today to take a nice ride on my bike, and I've followed the bridleways to get me here, but unfortunately some of it's been far too muddy. But the idea of coming up here today was to give these Baofengs a test. Now this is the Baofeng. This is my original Baofeng. This is the UV5, which has been absolutely brilliant, and this is the new one. It's supposedly 10 watts or 20 watts, but we all know it's not. We know it's only probably about 5 watts. But anyway, I've tried the headset that they give you with this thing. Here it is. It's all tangled up here, but basically this is the earpiece that you use, which is fine, and that's the microphone there with a PTT. But the only problem is it doesn't sound too good. Absolutely rubbish. So it was worth a try anyway. So I've had a little test run with that, and it seems to work okay. Morning. And it works lovely on the ordinary Baofeng. We've got some horses, look. This is a well-known bridleway for people on horseback. Typical when you do a video. Anyway, where was I? I've digressed. So we've got this one. Another problem with this one is the antenna. You're probably wondering what this is here. Well, this antenna will not fit where it goes into, so I had to get an adapter, SMA adapter for this to fit that radio. But with the UV5 it fits on without the adapter, so there's not a problem. And put this to one side. Another thing with a good old trusty UV5R, it's got the microphone and speaker section, and I bought this microphone a while ago. I did have another one, but unfortunately this end here wasn't very sturdy enough and it broke. But this one I bought, and it didn't sound too good either. The original microphone I had with the Baofeng didn't sound too good, but this one, it's absolutely brilliant. Can't fault it at all. It's a retriever's microphone. It's alright, let's drop my aerial. And it's absolutely brilliant. The quality of it, the build quality, yeah, it's great. And it's quite a large mic, really, to the standard Baofeng microphone, but it's very robust, and it's thicker wire. It's not going to pull out of that anytime soon. And I got that on Amazon, and it fits, as I say, straight into that UV5. But with the this other one, the UV9 Plus, you have to go through the paraphernalia of undoing this and put an adapter onto it, so then you can run this 2-pin microphone, because obviously it fits straight into the UV5R but not the other radio, so you have to have an adapter for it, which means more clutter. So I'm quite happy with the UV5. Anyway, I'm going to give it a test today. I'm going to see if I can get my mate. He's round about 10 miles away from where I am, so we'll see if we can get hold of him. Yeah, it's okay, John. Yeah, I'm testing this little Baofeng. I'm on the UV5. It's only about 5 watts, I think, about 5 watts. So I'm just giving it a go to see what it's like. I have brought out the UV9 as well. I've got the extendable aerial on it, the Nagoya copy I think it is, and as the crow flies, you're probably about 5 miles away from where I am, I'd have thought. So it seems to be coming through okay then.
Yeah, you moved there. Still got you okay. You're about a 3, but then you drop down to a 0. You moved, obviously. So I'm eating a biscuit. But yeah, I've got you okay. Well, you know where I am, over in Iceland. So they're quite clear. Audio's okay. I say you're a 3, but you obviously moved a little bit and it dropped. You were stronger early on, so it depends on where you are, I suppose. I think you're out on your push bike, aren't you? Or on your bike, anyhow, Brett?
Yeah, I'm on the bike. What I'll do is I'll swap over and put the UV9 on with the same aerial. It's the same Baofeng radio, but it's just, apparently they claim it's got 8 watts or something like that. You know, the ridiculous sort of things they say about these radios. how many watts they've got. But I'm just going to swap over and I'll be there in a second.
Okay. Yeah. Well, I'm only on low power. I'm only on low power, so obviously, but you get me. Okay. Yeah. All right. I'm listening for you.
So I'm going to swap over radios now to the UV9, which they claim has got 8 watts or 10 watts or whatever. I'm going to use this the wobbly aerial, the Nagoya copy or Nagoya. It was just a cheap one on eBay. I've had to put the obviously this thing on there to use it. So
frequency mode.
Okay, we'll give it a go. Okay, John, how's that coming through from M0AUI?
Well, again, you're okay. You're down to about a 1. Don't know whether you're in the same spot exactly as you were, but you're 1 at the moment. A bit readable, no problems there, mate.
Yeah, it's okay then, John. Yeah, that's the difference between the two. Would you say this was the better one? I was using an external microphone. Would you say this was the better one, or was the UV5 the better one, John?
I would say there's not much difference. You just went up to a 3 there. I mean, it's very hard, Roger, to say really, because as I say, you're a bit you're not. It's not a permanent signal. And both audios sound okay, and both signal. I mean, you're both peak 3 on both radios. So, but it's just depending on where it's just a slight movement, I suppose. But I wouldn't say there's a lot of difference between the two of them there, Roger. Back to you.
Yeah, okay, John from M0UI Stroke Portable. Okay, well that completes the test on this one then, so I'll just switch this off.